First, open the LED demo case and power it on. Over here, there are 4 lighting areas. Let's wake up Super Panel and go to the control center. Next, let's get started to see the whole house dimming effect. The lighting makes a very gradual and smooth transformation, delivering continuous and flicker-free dimming. For single zone dimming control, hallway, dining room, bedroom, and living room, each of them can be controlled separately, so easily and conveniently. Super Panel also allows us to set up scenes to control the home. Let me show you some scene modes. Sunset mode, night light, dance of light, The scene modes also available for each single zone. Let's turn on the wake mode. Family mode, breathing mode, you can also preset the scenes you like to the metal buttons of Super Panel. One button switches the scene so easily and conveniently. Home mode, away mode, reading mode, movie mode. Switch to spring mode, summer, autumn, winter。
超级面板还支持全屋 AI 语音控制，解放双手，轻松沟通。
小雷，
你好，主人。
关闭过道灯。
已将一个过道灯关闭。
打开过道灯。
已将一个过道灯打开。
把过道灯的亮度调为10。
已将一个过道灯亮度设置为10。
把过道灯的亮度调到100。
已将一个过道灯亮度设置为100。
把过道灯调为白色。
已将一个过道灯颜色设置为白色。
打开离家模式。
场景控制成功。
回家模式。
场景控制成功。
打开观影模式。
场景控制成功。
Furthermore, we can control the lighting with app or customize a more advanced mode. For single zone lighting control, adjust color temperature, change brightness. For whole house lighting control, Adjust color temperature. Change brightness. Let's set up some things for light groups. Night light mode. Wake up mode. The wake up mode will gradually brighten your lights over a period of 10 minutes. We are able to add customized things to Intelligence interface. Let's add the reception mode. And select a device. Turn off the bedroom light and hallway light. Turn on the living room light and adjust the ideal brightness and color temperature, then save them. The other light fixtures can also be set up in the same way. After setting up, choose the icons you like and save them. Turn on the reception mode. We can also buy the customized things to the metal buttons of SuperPanel. Switch Movie Mode to Reception Mode. Press the button and execute Reception Mode. Stay tuned for more functional demonstrations.